Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be explaining how you can get your citizenship or you can file your citizenship. What is the process, the number of days that you need to stay in Canada for filing your citizenship, your eligibility criteria, which documents you need, and what is the whole process. So step by step, I will be explaining everything. So let's understand it. So let's first discuss some important points. The first is eligibility criteria. So you have to complete 1095 days, approximate 3 years during the last 5 years to be eligible for the citizenship. The fee for the adult is 649.75 and the minor fee is $100. The third is that you can apply either online or offline. Both are acceptable. Then the approx time for processing the application is 10 months, and this 10 month include the whole time period, like from your application, then citizenship test up to the oath ceremony, everything. Our steps for the citizenship: firstly, you will submit your application and then you will receive your AOR. In third is that you will book your citizenship exam, then your biometrics will happen, and then last one is the oath ceremony. And that's it. Congratulations. Finally, you're a Canadian citizen. So open your browser and type Canadian citizenship application. And then just open very first link which says apply for Canadian citizenship online. So once you're here, click on create an account. If you already have account, just directly click on sign in. If you don't, then create your account. Read all the instructions. Click on I agree. Continue to create an account, type your email address and password. Then click on create an account. Once you will click here, it will ask you for some of the hint questions like your favorite car, your favorite movie. Fill those pointers and then it will ask you for your email to verify your email. And once you get your email verified, then come on the sign in page again and sign in. After signing in, you will see your account like this and then click on create an application. Now, if you want to consider your minor as well in your application, then you have to fill his information as well. Or just for a minor, then you have to start creating one minor application. But for me, I will just create for myself like one adult 18 and over, and that's how I will proceed. You can add it from here for the minor application, but this application I will just go with myself individually. And then it asked me for my family name Kaur, first name Praneeth, date of birth 1996, month August 13. Click on create application. Then you can see my application is created here. Now to start this application, click start. It will bring you to the screen like this. Now we have to fill information in all these tabs: personal info, contact info, identification, everything you have to fill out. Now, in which language would you like to receive service? For me, I will go with English. Then, do you have special needs requiring accommodation? Click on help if you want to read about it. But for me, no, I don't need anything. No. So next is the UCI number. So this is the ID number which is on the front of your PR card. Just fill that number, 8 to 10 digit number. So this is the sample one. I will just fill it like, and then it will ask you for your name. It's already there. Have you changed your name since becoming a permanent resident? No. If you have changed, click yes. Have you ever used any other name? No. Gender, female. Do you need to change your gender designation for your citizenship application? No. Now they will ask you for your height, 170. Your height, your eye color, everything is given on your PR card. And then it asks me for the date of birth. The next question is, have you corrected your date of birth on your immigration document or legally changed it since coming to Canada? No. Do you need to correct your date of birth? No. If you want, then you can click yes. So then it asks for the city or town in which you were born. For me, it's Mansa. And then the country, it's India. Marital status, single. Click on next. Now we are filling the contact information. So the home address, I'm in Canada, so I will click Canada. And the search address, here I have to search my own address. So let's suppose, let me click here, 67 Gladstone Avenue, Ottawa, Ontario. So everything is filled already. This is just the sample address, guys. And the next is the mailing address the same as the home address? Yes. Few people have the separate mailing address. If you also have the separate one, click no and fill your mailing address as well. Then is this phone number from Canada or United States? Canada, United States. And then type of number is cellular. Just type your number in. Do you have another alternative phone number? No. Help with your application. If you're having any representative, then click yes. Otherwise, I'm filling it myself. I will just click no. Then it asks for, do you want to appoint a representative? No, I don't want. Now at the end, on every tab, in the end, it will say this page is ready. Means you have filled every information. Now it's ready to move to next tab. So click next. And now we are here on the identification. In the identification, you have to attach your digital photo, which is maximum 5 sizes 4 MB. Minimum image size is this one. And according to this, you have to attach your picture. So it should be the most recent one. Then you have to fill the whole information. For my one, I got it from Shoppers. I will just fill their name, Shoppers Drug Mart. Then from which country have that I have that picture? I have it from Canada. Then it asks for the address. So let me put here 72 Bristol Road West. And let me select this one. And the year in which it is taken, 2025. Month, just the most recent one, May. And the date is 13. Now it asks for the personal identification, and we have to give two pieces of ID. And the ID should be having the name, date of birth, photo, and signature. All these things. The first one is that you have to choose between your permanent residency card and your travel document or a passport. So the passport, they say that the biographical page. The biographical page is the one which is having your name, and the one is the last page, which is having your parents' name and the address. So these both pages. You don't have to include any stamps here, any pages with the stamps. Just the first and last name. You can read all your instructions here by clicking help if you want. Click on add file. My passport is there. And the second personal ID, they're saying you can attach any of these, and it should be the Canadian government ID. So be very careful here. And I choose my driver license. And yes, that's done. Now this page is ready as well. Click on next. Now the next tab is about the residence and tax. So you have to add all the addresses in the last 5 years. These are the 5 years which are your eligibility period for the Canadian citizenship. For this one, I was living on the two addresses. The first one is from March 2020 to 30th April 2020, and country Canada. Then it asks you about your address. So I'm just adding a sample address here. Click on save address. So once this is done, you will see your address here. Now I have to add another entry. So there shouldn't be any gap. Be very careful with this thing as well. The whole information should be point to point. So this one I will go with the first of the May 2020, and this is my current address. Country again Canada. The address is okay, perfect. Again click on save address. So you will notice here two addresses. The first one is this one and the second one is this one. So you don't have to leave any gaps. Again, I'm saying this. In the past 4 years, were you in a country or territory other than Canada for 183 days or more in a row? No. And the next question is, do you have a social insurance number, temporary tax number? Yes, I do have. Then you have to provide your SIN number here. The provide 9-digit SIN number. Did you file taxes for this year? Yes, I do. So sometimes happen that people haven't filled their taxes. In this case, like if you are filling your citizenship application in Jan, Feb, March, then just click no here if you haven't filed your taxes till the date. And were you required to file your taxes? Yes. Then it says for year 2023, did you file taxes for this year? Yes. For 2022? Yes. 2021? Yes. So your taxes should be filed for all these years, and it's a compulsion. Did you file your taxes for this year? Yes. Then it says that they will be having the information from Canada Revenue Agency and everything. If you agree or no, yes, I do agree. I haven't any issue. And then it says, do you currently or have you ever held immigration or citizenship status in country or territory other than Canada? Yes, because I'm Indian citizen. And from what time? Since my birth, I'm there. So, and it's not applicable for me because right now also I'm citizen of India. So India, because I'm Indian citizen and the status is citizen. Click on save status, and if you go down, you can see your information here. Now they ask that have you ever held travel documents or passports during your 5 year eligibility period? So yes, I was having my passports. In fact, I was having two passports. The first one was expired and then I got another one in 2023. So I have to add the information of both the passports, their starting date and the date, expiry date, sorry, and then again the date on which it was issued and the expiry date of the second passport. For this one, uh, for this video, I will just add one passport here to make it short, but you have to add both of them. And then on the country which it was issued, India. Place of issue, New Delhi. Have you have the bio page? Yes, that bio page is the page with your name and picture and date of birth. So here I have to upload my passport. If you have two passports, just merge both of passports together and attach it as a single file. For me, it's just one passport. I will attach it here. And yes, it's successful. So save the document. And there you go, you can see my passport here. Then it says this page is ready. Click next. Now we have to fill the information about the last 5 years of our work, school and activities, so everything. And it should be without any gap. If you were not working at some point, then just fill unemployment as your occupation. So let's say May 2020, and this is my current occupation as well. Then your occupation name, employer Microsoft, and then country Canada, address 67. Let me put this one and save activity. Now click here next. Now it asks for that are you now serving a term of in prison? No. On probation? No. On payroll? No. Uh, are you now serving a sentence outside Canada or an offense? No. Are you now charged with or on trial for subject to a party? Something like that? No. An offense outside Canada? No. Any removal order you have? Just go according to your case, that if it's a yes, click yes, else click no. In last 10 years, immediate citizenship taken away or revoked? No. In 4 years, immediate before the date of citizenship? No. Have been convicted of an offense outside Canada? No. While permanent resident, have you been convicted in Canada or terrorism? No. No, this one also. For any armed group you were the member? No. Now, by checking this box, I confirm I have read and understand the prohibitions under the Citizenship Act. So you have to read everything and click accordingly. Now this page is ready. Click next. Then it says language proof. Do you have proof of knowledge of English or French? I have my IELTS exam, so I have uploaded my IELTS exam here. Even though it was expired, but I still uploaded it by selecting the International English Language Testing System. So if you can see here that what documents can I use to prove that I met the citizenship language result. Every link you will find in the bio. Check the bio of this video. So what things they accept is IRCC approved a third party government funded language trainings or completion of secondary or post secondary education in English in Canada or abroad. So let's come back to our application and now click next here. Now it says about the physical presence calculator. So you have to calculate prior before creating this application that whether you're eligible or not, you can do through the physical presence calculator. You can calculate your days through this thing. Just click on start calculation and go accordingly, like which date you left Canada and on which you come back, or either if you was here for last 5 years altogether. Then you don't need to calculate. You can just go with your citizenship application directly. And once you have calculated everything, then fill in the details. I will just click here no. I was in Canada. And during your 5 year eligibility period, did you live outside of Canada as a family member of a crown servant? No. Date you become the permanent resident. So I become permanent resident on 2020, 20 August, year 20. So the date you become permanent resident, just fill it. And during your 5 year eligibility period, did you have a valid temporary residence status before becoming permanent resident? Yes, because I came as a student, then I was a worker, and now I'm a permanent resident. But if they just ask for the last 5 years, I will not include my study here. I will just mention that I was a temporary resident permit holder. 19 August 2022. Did you apply to extend your status? No. But if you apply to extend your status, click yes. Click on save. And now here you can see my temporary resident permit holder. And during your 5 year eligibility period, did you have a valid protected person status? No. Did you spend some time serving a sentence? No. During 5 year eligibility period, did you leave Canada for any reason? No, but if you left, click yes. Like if you went on a vacation to India or any other country, then click yes and fill all your information accordingly. Congratulations, you have at least 1095 days and am eligible for applying for my citizenship. My days are 1363. Click on next. And then it says that a request for an authorization. I authorize IRCC to forward my personal information to my member of parliament. Yes. So if you don't want your personal information to be sent to any member of parliament or MPs for any federal things coming up, then you can click no as well. And the next is a national register or electorals. Now you will be able to vote in the upcoming elections. So you can choose, you can read everything here. And then it says that I authorize IRCC to give my information to Elections Canada, my home address, mailing address. If you want, then click yes, else say no. A type of citizenship certificate you want to receive, electronic or paper. Now it's on you. I will click here electronic. Now this page is ready as well. Click on next. Now it says the optional documents. Few people have some optional documents like they have changed their names or something like that, and you want to explain those things to the officer, then you can write those things up and attach the letter here. But in my case, I have nothing to add here. So yeah, so every tab is done as you can see here. And now I click on pay fees. Now it asks me to upload my fee receipt here after paying the fees. Click on pay the application fee online. I'll go here. Select the type of application. I'll say citizenship. Continue. Now I am an adult over 18 and over, and quantity is 1. So my fees will be 649.75. If you're having any minor as well in your application, then just fill here as well how many minors you have, 1, 2, 3, whatever. Okay, in my case it is this one. Click on submit. Now it says 649 in total. Login and pay. If you have your account, then well and good. If you don't have it, then you have to create it. So once you're done with the filling your fees, then you come back to the same page. Click on add file. You will get your receipt in your email. So I got my receipt, payment receipt. I will attach it here. And then this page is ready as well. Then the next page is review and sign. Now you can see that everything is ready: personal information, contact information, identification, tax, work and school, prohibitions, language proof, physical presence, consent, and pay fee. Click on continue. Now I'm good to sign my application here, and city where I'm signing right now, Mississauga. And then after confirming everything, it says that the privacy notice, just open it and you have read everything. By clicking confirm and submit, then sign and continue. Then it says your application was signed successfully, but it is not submitted yet. So to submit your to submit your or your group's application, you can go back to your account page and click on submit application. So click on your account, and now it says submit your application. Just click here, then it will be submitted. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it will help you in filing your citizenship application online. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment. And if you're all good to go, then please do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.